struggling to put your pants on.
Who am I?
There's more to imagine when you listen. Discover mindfulness titles on Audible.
See if you can guess.
Audible.co.uk for terms.
I'm a red vehicle. Finley, Flynn, and Todd Marcus are all red vehicles. But Percy is a green vehicle, so it's not him. I'm a fire engine. Finley and Flynn are both fire engines. But Todd Marcus is a race car, so it's not him. I live in Friendlyville. Have you guessed it? I'm a red vehicle, I'm a fire engine, and I live in Friendlyville. That's right, you've got it. It's Finley the fire engine.